Are you tired of the same old Reapers? Are they just not scary enough anymore? Then check this out. With the new Texture Replacer mod, you can have your very own custom Reaper texture packs. Coming in at number 1, we have the Ghost Reaper. Unlike those fake ghost Leviathans, this one is actually one of the undead. And speaking of the undead, at number 2 we have the Zombie Reaper. It's the same one Margaret Maida killed and it's back for revenge.
Killed the beast, but he came back.
At number 3 we have the Devil Reaper, aka El Diablo, and it'll drag you down to the lava zone. And finally we have the Ice Reaper, because the devs didn't put him in below zero like they should have. But wait, there's one more. With glowing red eyes and sharpened textures, we have the Crazy Reaper, because I couldn't think of a better name.
What's up, YouTube? This is Leviathan Kraken here, and I hope you liked my goofy intro there. Sorry, I haven't uploaded in over a week. I've been working on some top secret projects lately, but I'm excited. I'm excited to finally be able to contribute something to the Subnautica modding community. So recently, Gaming for Fun, he released a texture editor mod that contains an edited peeper texture as an example. And I saw a lot of potential in this mod because I've always been a fan of Minecraft texture packs. So I got some ideas, and I decided to tackle some projects, and creating a few Reaper variants was one of them. So I also plan to release a how to change these textures step-by-step video. Sorry, that was a mouthful. But how to do it completely step-by-step. But the thing is, Gaming for Fun, he's still in the process of working on a few bugs with mods. So I'm not going to do that just yet until I know everything is working. And it is a tedious process. It involves looking up the prefab class ID for every object, finding the texture's location, entering the code into the .json file, and of course, obviously downloading and editing the textures themselves. Gaming for Fun, he does have a website that explains the process, how to do this, so I will leave a link in the description if you do want to go ahead and try to tackle that. But the thing is once we eventually get a large .json file that contains a functional library of every single object in the game, then the process of creating custom texture packs for everyone else will be a piece of cake, because all they'll have to do is just go in and edit the image. The good news is, though, I will soon be releasing these Reaper variant textures that I made onto Nexus or maybe Subnautica soon, and you'll be able to easily use them because I already have it set up. I might possibly edit the textures a little bit more first before publicly releasing it to polish them up and make them, look a little bit better. But the thing is I will also include the default Reaper texture also, so that if you guys want to edit it yourself, then you can make whatever you want with it. Now, I personally use a photo editing software called GIMP, but you can use, Photoshop, you can use whatever program that you prefer, but as long as the dimensions and the .png extension remain the same, then it will work. Another cool thing you can do is remove the texture. If you can look here, and you can have an albino Reaper if you want. You're looking at basically the model with no textures at all, but I thought it looked pretty cool. What do you think? Like an albino version of whatever you want. It's whatever you want to make. You can do whatever you want with it. I've also recently been trying to learn how to mod. Daft Apple Games, he has a good video that kind of shows you the basics, and I've been going over that, trying to learn these things, because I have some really cool ideas that I really would love to be able to implement this myself. But anyways, that's all I have for now. This is what I've been up to recently. I have tons of projects for future content, and there's been a lot of amazing new mods recently I need to cover soon, so stay tuned for that. Peace out, everyone.